Welding instructor Nathan and Joy, they pointed me in the right direction that I would have never thought I would be in. I thought I would, I'd just be the basic welder and that would be all. But they actually pointed me in the direction of, well, if you can be a welder, you can be more than a welder. You can be a supervisor. You can be a plant manager. And I have done a lot of things that I didn't know I was going to get the opportunity to do. In the long run, it pays off very well. You can start out making starting pay around $15 to $20 an hour, whereas some guys, they go out and do traveling jobs and make $30-something an hour. So it's a very high paying job. Some of the opportunities that I've seen a lot of guys do is go from doing stuff in their backyard to going to big corporations and welding. They could work for a big corporation, work in between. They could do like I do. I work at a full-time job, but I also do stuff in my backyard in my shop. You can even come up with your own company with it. As far as isothermal, they have gave me a lot of knowledge in the field that I'm in. And there's a lot of people around campus that will guide you and help you and push you in the right direction if you need any help. I am Clarence Wilkins, a graduate from isothermal.
For more information on the welding program, contact Nathan Fisher or visit isothermal.edu.